I'll be honest, I already had a peek. I saw a little glimpse of something, wasn't quite sure what it was. Got yellow and purple. Wow. The microphone's picking up on that, you know. Oh, wow.
That's sick.
That looks wild.
Oh, is it fractured?
It's... Oh, that doesn't look fractured hardly. There's just one little fracture there.
Oh, dude, it's
Oh, wow.
awesome.
Oh, more than nice. Alright, we decided to slab it, because, I mean, who wouldn't want to slab that? Oh, and it's... I don't know if you can get that translucent. So we decided to take a slab off of it. Let's see the slab. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh. Oh yeah. Crimson's really thickening up there. Other side looks to be just as good. Let's see how translucent it is. Oh wow.
Well, it went away. Where's that?
Hey. Pretty hard to see it, could you?
Muddy saw. Insane. Alright, let's see the other one. We'll get you another slab of them. We'll be done with it, maybe.
What's it look like? Very good. Alright, this is slab number 2, not even sure if it's intact. It is. Oh, wow. Formed a nice little formation there.
The other side, same. Roll that eye. It hit that eye. And
Oh, nice.
I bet when you bring it back, it's going to be
Alright, here's our slab number 3. It's intact, and it's good. Yeah, it's starting to just... That's like banding stuff. Other side looks that way too. Yeah, that looks nice. Nice. Let's have a look at the other. Yep. Decided to take a thicker slab off it, and we're gonna call it quits after this cut. That looks pretty neat. The crimson started fading away though. Interesting. Quite a bit thicker slab. It seemed to open up to a little pocket. Alright, this is me during the editing process, so I noticed that the pocket inside of there is actually another little tiny pocket of agate. So it's agate inside of quartz, which is also inside of another layer of agate. Pretty cool.